Hello there, today I will show you how to create chalk effect like this in Photoshop. Let's get started. We will use this image. First we will remove the background of the image by selecting Quick Selection tool. Click on Select Subject. Now press Ctrl J to remove the background. Make sure the foreground color is white. Convert the layer into Smart Object. Go to Filter. Filter Gallery. Click on Sketch and then Photocopy. Adjust the detail between 1 to 10. Adjust the darkness between 40 to 50. We will use this image for background, link in the description below. Drag and drop the bird image onto the blackboard image. Adjust the image size by pressing Ctrl T. Change the blend mode to screen. Click on the empty area of the layer. Click on the stroke and adjust the settings. Our chalk effect is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.